hashtags are very important when it comes to marketing on Instagram. Your visibility depends largely on the hashtags that you use for your posts. So you should approach hashtags in the same way that you do keyword research for your website or your blogs, because hashtags can put your post in front of thousands more people and thus earn you more followers and potential customers and potential sales if you do it correctly. Okay, because the hashtags are like search words. When tagging, you can see how many posts use each hashtag, and the more posts associated with a hashtag, the more popular the hashtag. However, it's a good idea to search the hashtag yourself and see what kind of posts are using it, so you get an idea of which influencers or how these influencers are approaching that trend. Okay, so make sure that your hashtags are also relevant. That's pretty obvious. And then lastly, if you have too many hashtags, that's not necessarily good. It can actually hurt you, as it is frowned upon by Instagram, and it also makes you look desperate.